When it comes to spy apps, two names always come up: mSpy and FlexiSpy. Both are widely used around the world, but the real question is which one is better for your needs? In this video, we will compare them in detail across installation, compatibility, features, accuracy, speed, pricing, and more. By the end, you will know exactly which app is worth your money. But before we begin, here's a disclaimer. Never use monitoring or spy apps to track someone's activities without their knowledge and consent. Doing so is not only unethical but also against the law. Always ensure you have the person's permission before using such tools. Now, let's start with ease of installation. Both mSpy and FlexiSpy take about 5 to 10 minutes to set up, and neither requires complicated technical steps on Android. However, there is a major difference when it comes to iPhones. mSpy lets you monitor iPhones using just iCloud credentials, so you don't need to touch the target phone. FlexiSpy, on the other hand, requires a jailbreak and manual installation on the device, which is trickier. So while both are fairly simple on Android, FlexiSpy is more demanding on iPhones. Next, we have compatibility, and here FlexiSpy takes the clear lead. mSpy supports Android phones and iPhones through iCloud backups, but it does not support iPads or computers. FlexiSpy goes much further, supporting Android, iPhones, iPads, and even Windows PCs. If compatibility across multiple devices matters to you, FlexiSpy is a stronger option. Now, let's talk about stealth and discreet working. Both apps are designed to hide in the background after installation, but there is a difference in performance. During my testing, mSpy consumes slightly more battery on the target phone, which could raise suspicion if the person is observant. FlexiSpy worked quietly without noticeable battery drain. This makes FlexiSpy more discreet and harder to detect. When it comes to features, each app has its own strengths. mSpy is tailored more towards parental control, offering useful options like geofencing, app blocking, website blocking, and even Wi-Fi blocking to control your child's screen time. FlexiSpy, however, is built for advanced surveillance. It goes beyond standard monitoring and offers call recording, live call interception, ambient recording of surrounding sounds, and even the ability to remotely activate the target's camera or record video. For parental control, mSpy is very effective. But if you are looking for advanced monitoring of a partner or employees, FlexiSpy has the upper hand. In terms of accuracy, both apps perform very well. Location tracking, call logs, keyloggers, and social media monitoring all worked reliably in my tests. Neither app produced incomplete or inaccurate data, which is rare in this industry. So when it comes to accuracy, both apps tie. The next factor is data sync speed. This is where the difference really shows. With mSpy, syncing new data usually takes 5 to 10 minutes, and sometimes even longer. FlexiSpy, on the other hand, updates almost instantly. Most data like calls, texts, or photos appeared within a minute, while advanced features like remote video might take a few minutes. If quick real-time updates are important to you, FlexiSpy is much faster. Now, let's look at iPhone monitoring. iPhones are more secure and harder to monitor than Android phones. mSpy relies on iCloud backups, which don't require jailbreak but also provide very limited data. FlexiSpy does require jailbreaking, but once installed, it gives you full access, including calls and social media. So while mSpy is easier, FlexiSpy is far more powerful on iPhones. For customer support, both mSpy and FlexiSpy offer live chat assistance. I reached out to both support teams and found them equally responsive and helpful. So in this category, it's a tie. Finally, let's discuss pricing. mSpy offers a single premium plan at $48.99 per month. FlexiSpy has 3 plans: Lite at $49.95 per month with limited features, Premium at $79 per month, and Extreme at $119 per month. Yes, FlexiSpy is more expensive, but it also provides advanced features like call recording and live interception that mSpy simply doesn't have. If you're on a budget, mSpy is the more affordable choice. But if you want maximum power, FlexiSpy delivers better value. So which one should you choose? If your goal is to monitor your kids, control their screen time and keep them safe, mSpy is more than enough. But if you are looking for advanced monitoring, faster data syncing, better compatibility and stealthier option, FlexiSpy is the clear winner. In almost every category, it either ties with mSpy or comes out ahead. Between the two, I would confidently declare FlexiSpy as the overall better spy app. If you liked the video, then like, share and subscribe to Spy Drill. I'll see you in the next one.